Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webtech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to search jobs in LinkedIn or how you can use the search job search function in LinkedIn. So I'm going to show you in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me go on my LinkedIn profile. So here, just come to your LinkedIn and log in with your email ID, and just this page will be open. So guys, in order to search job in LinkedIn, go to the job tab. Okay, so come to the job section and you can search the job from here. If I search here like video editor, so okay, this video editor has been searched, but you can change the location also. So I just change the location California, United States, and here you can see the all video editor position has been come here. Okay, you can also use the filter if you want. So you can use the date posted, so you can use only past month job fresh date fresh job here. Okay, you can see also past week fresh job or past 24 fresh job you can search. Okay, you can also filter with experience also, entry level, internship, director, executive level as you require. You can also filter by company, so you can select the company here. You can see that company have the video editor job, so you can search by company. You can also search by your job type and on-site, remote, and all. Okay, so how you can apply? You can apply from here, or sometime the jobs need to apply from their website. So you can also save the job. I will show you how you can find your saved job after. So you can easily apply from here. You can read the odd description from here. Okay, or you can go to the company page. Okay, this is my company page, the job employer company page. Okay, and here you can find out the company page of this company page of this employer. Okay, so this is my company page, and go to the people. Okay, in people you will see the all people like HR and all. You can search HR recruiter from here, or you can search by country or city. And this is a director. Okay, don't talk with the director, you have to talk with the HR recruiter. So find out here HR, or you can search HR from here. So you will, though there is no HR, let me recruiter. Okay, okay, there is a one senior community manager LinkedIn. This is a LinkedIn member. So okay, you have to check the is there any recruiter. So you have to just go there and you can talk with them directly, so you can easily get more idea about the job, or they maybe ask you to send the resume directly. Okay, so now let me come back, and here you can save the alert, or you can set the alert for this search, and you will get the notification if new job posted in LinkedIn. So set the alert and you will get the notification with this search in your notification when the new job come up. Okay, so how you can, that is how you can search the job. And if you want to find your save job, go again on job section, and you will see here my job option. Just click on it, and here you can find your save job or posted job, or you can also find your applied job here in my job section. This is applied job, which job you have applied. This is your saved job. Okay, so that is how you can search jobs in LinkedIn. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.